Kia is going to launch a full-size SUV in the Indian market, which will be bigger in each and every aspect with respect to other SUVs available in the Indian market, for example Fortuner. However, there is no relation between these two cars. But to explain how big is this SUV, let's compare it with Toyota Fortuner. However, Kia EV9 is likely to compete with cars like BMW X5, Volvo XC90, etc. Kia EV9 has a length of 5,115 mm, which is 220 mm bigger than Fortuner. It has a width of 1,980 mm and is bigger by 125 mm. Has a wheelbase of 3,100 mm, which is also bigger by 335 mm. It will come up with 20-inch alloy wheel. Now let's talk about its powertrains. As it's an electric car, so won't come with any engine. Rather will come up with 99.8 kilowatt-hour battery paired with dual electric motors, which can produce a power of 384 horsepower and a torque of 700 Nm, by which it can achieve 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.3 seconds, along with a range of 561 kilometers on a single charge. By using DC fast charger, it can be charged 10 to 80% in just 24 minutes. Now, let's talk about the most important part of the car, which is its features. It comes with Level 2 ADAS, rear seat with message function, 24-inch touchscreen with 12-inch of digital instrument cluster, and 12-inch of infotainment system. It has remote operation system, which basically means that if your car is parked in a tight place, then just with the help of your key, your car can come out on its own. Not only this, but it has illuminated Kia logo on its steering wheel and 2 sunroofs, flush door handles, ambient lighting, and many more. On exterior, it gets star map DRLs, rear spoiler with LED, high-mounted stop lamp. Now let's talk about the price, variants, and launch date of this car. The price of this car will be high, as will not be manufactured in India and will be imported. So the expected price can fall between 90 lakh to 1 crore. Also, only one variant will be available in India, named as EV9 GT Line all-wheel drive automatic, with 6-seater option, and will be launched on 3rd October. Now let us know your opinion about the new Kia EV9 in the comment section. Enthusiasts are requested to subscribe our YouTube channel for further automotive contents. Thank you for watching.